just to get a little technical, when a person is 13 years old, he's bar mitzvah, right? The real Kiddusha comes in. But the cycle of 12, this will be number 12. So it's almost like that entity called the Daf Yomi is only 12 years old. He's not bar mitzvah yet. We might have to wait 7 more years for the real 13. It's true it's the 13th run, but he's not 13 years old yet. The entity is only 12. So how do we kind of mesh this together? It would have been fitting if he was 13 years old, and now we say it's going to come and this and that. So why he's a year off? So it's like, what's going on? So maybe we can say this. And look how this fits with what we said in previous things. What is 7 years? Okay, that's your boy and girl. It could be 12 and 13. Okay, very good. When we said we're looking for the third temple, do you remember what allusions we said? Maybe something might happen, or hopefully Bezrat Hashem. That date was Tafshin Pei, if you remember, which was 5780. Okay, 5780. Again, no predictions, just wondering what it means, and the Zohar alludes to things, and whatever it is. Tafshin Pei. 5780, and today is 5773, 2 into 3. That's 7 years. That's exactly the next cycle. So it's interesting, the entity will be a full-fledged bar mitzvah boy at 5780, where we're saying the real, hopefully Beit HaMikdash, or something about it might begin. You see? So from 12 to 13, you kind of practice, because you tell the child to practice. So that could be the Mashiach comes, he starts, he does, but there's no Beit HaMikdash yet. We're still waiting. So it's like he's not bar mitzvah fully yet. The nation is not bar mitzvah fully yet. But when comes 5780 and the next cycle, which is the 13th cycle of Siyum Hashas, that's like a real kick-in for some real Kiddusha material. So that could be. Who knows? I'm just playing on dates and times, how they're all correlating to the same time. Well, he'll obviously have a wife. So that could be something that's up ahead. Now all this, again, we can't prove it, but it's something to look for, and once it's done, we'll see what happened. We have the hindsight, but we don't have the foresight. But it's interesting just to think and hope that things are on its way, and they could be here very fast. We don't know what's going to hit us. It's like Moshe in Mitzrayim. One day he wasn't there, the next day he was, and that was it. All of a sudden, our Mashiach, he's not here. Tomorrow he could be, and that's it, game over. And we start to just put the pieces where they're supposed to go until the Mashiach ben David comes, and then it's all miracles from then on in a type of existence that we can't even imagine. Be'ezrat Hashem, that this should come soon.